This video is going to look at using the post class function, which we can find on Google by searching for the WordPress post class. This is the reference we need from the codex.wordpress.org. Let's select this. This post class function is typically added to the WordPress loop when displaying blog posts, but not completely limited to this use. It gives us the option to set styling for a specific post or a certain group of posts. If we scroll down to the usage section, we can set up our blog posts to have additional classes based on various things, such as the post type, a category, or the tags. So for example, we could set this up for our blog posts with the tag of news. Then each one of these posts will get a CSS class of tag-news. We can then add styling to this class as usual in our CSS file. If we head over to our index.php file, inside of our loop where we have the post section, we have a surrounding div for each blog post. This is where we're going to add the post class function. We do this in the opening tag, inside of a PHP tag, and this function is going to be called the post class. So notice we currently have no other classes added to this div. If we save this file, however, and then go over to the developer tools, so click on the blog, right click, and then inspect. Let's select the first blog post. So just inside of our container, which is called SM8, we have a surrounding div for our post. Inside of our code, we don't have any classes inside of here. And now this post class has added all this extra information, such as the blog post number of 18, the type of post, If we now hover over this, we get a different background color and also the transform. Let's go down. Blog post 4 doesn't have this class, nor does 3, or 2, or 1. So this is only applying to our one specific blog post, so we have fine control over the CSS. This is targeting a specific post or set of posts using the post class function, which gives us fine control over the styling of our blog posts.